goals for herself and has worked diligently to achieve them. Her commitment to excellence is evident in every task she undertakes. From being receptive to feedback from teachers to contributing her ideas in group projects, Sophie tackles all of this with a spirit of humility. Sophie's respect for peers and teachers, her willingness to guide classmates, and her infectious smile make her a beloved member of our school community. Her sincerity and dedication to social responsibility set a powerful example for us all. She's an all-rounded individual who excels academically while following her passion for helping those in need. During the 2024 Seniors Fiesta VIA event, Sophie was a responsible buddy to visiting seniors. She was able to engage them with her warmth and enthusiasm. However, Sophie's volunteer work extends beyond the school. Sophie is a regular volunteer at Project Zero, where she helps to sort and distribute food to her neighborhood residents, demonstrating her unwavering commitment to helping others. Sophie encouraged two of her friends to join her in her charitable efforts. Together, they taught crochet to underprivileged children at the IJ Infant Homes and Centers. Her leadership in organizing this initiative, along with raising $3,750 through a Giving.sg fundraising page for IJHCC, exemplifies her commitment to making a difference. Sophie has also raised funds for organizations such as the SPCA and Food from the Heart by selling items she has crocheted and has been featured in the SPCA online newsletter for her crochet project. Last year, despite some initial nerves, Sophie's courage shone brightly when she confidently presented her community efforts to the primary 6 level. They were truly amazed and inspired by her fundraising efforts. In summary, Sophie's exemplary character, dedication, and desire to make a positive impact reflect a deep internalization of our CHIJ core values. We are confident that Sophie will continue to excel in her future endeavors, carrying with her the values and spirit of resilience that she has so beautifully exemplified. Congratulations, Sophie, on this well-deserved recognition.